In today's video, we're heading to the island of Anglesey, located in the northwestern tip of Wales. Our destination, Anglesey Circuit, also known as Track Mon. Over the next 2 days, Ian Granville and Robin Canagaspi have organised an exciting event for members of the UK Ariel Atom and Nomad Club, along with BAC Mono owners. It promises 2 days of on-track action with enthusiasts travelling from across the country and Europe to take part. We're all hoping for a bit of Welsh sunshine, though Anglesey has a reputation of doing its own thing when it comes to the weather. With just over an hour's drive from home, this one's relatively local. So let's get parked up and let's get on with the day. Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome to Anglesey Circuit, where today I am here with the BAC Mono, the Ariel Atom, the Nomads. There's a couple of Porsches, loads of stuff here on display. Using it as a track day a couple of days, so I'm only here for today. Very kind invite I've had, so super cool to be part of this. You've got things like this driving around. BAC Mono. Anyway, I'm in with my element today. So, like all things, I'm in the car park to start with. I'm in the Nissan Leaf today, which has only just managed to get here. Well, it got here fine. Might not manage to get home. There's a G-Wagon behind us. A couple of GT3 RSs. And really cool stuff here. So, gonna have a quick look around the car park to start. Go through the paddocks. Go and have a look in the paddocks and try and talk to some drivers, talk to some spectators, have a good day out all round. Hopefully it's going to be a wonderful day. I'm sure it will. I am buzzing for today. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. What a car. Wow. That's not something you see every day. Very cool. Maybe the back here, a number of Lotuses. Or should I call them Loti? Super cool. You hear the sounds of motor racing. There's another BAC just arriving. They look so cool. I think that's a KTM Crossfire. I've nearly just lost it. Oh gosh. Ariel Atom. It is super windy here today, so I don't know what the audio is going to come out like. If it's really windy, I do apologise. I've got a wind muff on. I'm using my DJI Pocket 3 with the DJI Mic 2s, and hopefully it's reduced a lot of this. Fingers crossed. I've had a few issues lately, but since I had these new setup, I've been really blown away by the quality. But it's just really cool to look out and to see all the cars snaking around. You've got a big straight over there, you've got the S-bends. I do have a pass. Oh, what's this? Oh, mono. Oh, yes. So I've got a pass for a passenger and also a driver. I've been to the briefing, so if anything becomes available I can drive, well, I'm here to do it. I'm not holding out for that. It'd be incredible if I can, but I think there's other things that possibly could happen and be done. So Another mono's just leaving now in a Caterham. It's going to be a really good day. Really, really good day indeed. So I'm going to head over, check out the pits. There's a few cars in there, a few cars getting worked on, a few cars just ready to be going out again. And hopefully, so we can have a little chat with people and see what's what. And yeah, I'm just having a great time. There's the Nomad. It looks just like a remote control car should look. Really rugged, really ready to go. Carbon fiber seats. Got a Honda K20 engine in it. That's so cool. There's a couple more in here. Looks like all the cars are stuck to the pits. You've got Nomads in this one. You got Atoms in here. There's a Mono. This guy's just going out. So very cool. This is the Mono garage then. You've got Mono R's. So you can see them. This is the newer style, and you can't remove the caps from the top. The older style, you can. But effectively it's the same carcass. They've got a bit of extra cowling around the back as well. That hides the transmission oil. They are very, very cool cars. Fully exposed carbon. So you got the Mono, this is the W model, this is the original design. So this is my friend's Mono. And then next to it you've got the same car but with the side panels removed. And so you can see all of the gubbins. Love this with the exposed carbon as well. Really smart. Got a nice G-Wagon as I see earlier. Over here we got a pair of Lamborghini Urus. One in khaki green, 29RR on the registration. Carbon ceramic brakes, and then again with carbon ceramics, but this is like a matte grey. Very, very nice. I think personally I would take the green one. This is a personal preference. They're both very, very awesome cars. Down here we've got another Mono. What's quite cool with the Monos is the majority of them, if not all of them, have got their M and O on the registration plates. So they're all branded up to the nth degree Mono. And I suppose while I say that, the Atoms and some of the Nomads also do the same thing. Oh, an empty one. Smell incredible.
Thank you very much indeed.
Yeah, wonderful.
Take care now.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All the best.
on the colour scheme. So I've gone with naked carbon, which is an extra. You see some nice little bits. My car is actually number 19 out of 40.
I've got a hope in hell we'll get that crotch strap on though.
Oh, haven't you? I mean, it was originally a 4-point harness, but so yeah, you'll be fine. Yeah.
Great stuff. Thanks for having me. Thanks for
taking your time.
Yeah, no, pleasure.
Really appreciate it. And pouring. I don't know if we have enough battery to get home in this car, but what a fantastic day. And thanks to everyone here, the Anglesey team, the Mono owners, the Active Owners Club, the Nomad Owners Club. Super cool day, really enjoyed every second of it. Time to go home now and start editing. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. And until next time, see you later.